Well, welcome everyone to our video and our robot hotel, where we think the way a robot speaks at one time may feel completely inappropriate in another scenario. We think a robot should adapt the way it speaks based on different conditions. I'm Angelica Lim from the Rosie Lab at SFU in Canada, and I'm here with Akihiro Matsufuji from Tokyo Metropolitan University. My background is originally in music robots, but then I went into vocal dynamics. So we like to think about how a robot should adapt its voice, and this can depend on social factors like actual physical distance between a human and the robot, or the social distance in terms of status, on the emotion of the human, it should adapt the way it speaks, even on things like the cognitive differences, like the level of the language ability between the human and the robot. Akihiro is going to talk a little bit more about environment.
Thank you, Dr. Lim. This is Akihiro Matsuuchi from Tokyo Metropolitan University. I would like to explain the study of the effect of a shared auditory soundscape on the perceived ideal speech rate of an artificial agent. Background ambient sounds are a common source to affect the arousal of both a human and an agent. As for speech rate, higher arousal was expressed with increased speech rate. From these backgrounds, we aim to confirm the relationship between the preference of speech rate in various soundscapes. We collected the impression of the artificial agent and the preference of their speech rate in the combination of text-to-speech samples with 3 kinds of speech rate and 4 soundscapes. Participants were recruited from Amazon's Mechanical Turk. The result shows appropriateness of rate of speech affected the social perception of agent. As a result, if the participants felt the speech rate was inappropriate, the rating scores decreased in meta-attribute competent and warmth. On the other hand, in the meta-attribute discomfort, only if the agent spoke too fast, the rating score increased. This result shows the impression of the appropriateness of speech rate with soundscapes. Contrary to our expectation, default speech rate was preferred by raters in both soundscapes. However, there is an interesting result from this project. Over 30% of participants preferring fast speech rate in noisy office environment. So we need to consider not only speech rate, but also other factors for finding appropriate speech voice.